Now today let's start with chapter number 3, fiber to fabric. Now in this chapter I will tell you about the functions of clothing and other household uses of fabric. Then you will study about basic unit of fabric as fiber which can be obtained from any source. किसी भी source से आप उसको obtain कर सकते हैं. Now typical characteristics of different fabrics and fibers and fabrics of the basic of visual examination and non-technical text. The process of yarn making and fabric construction. Fabric made of different yarns and tells their and names. Let's start with the chapter. First is fabrics have diverse uses and different diverse use है. From medical gauzes and summer garbs to the most obvious use, like clothing. New application for traditional fabric is being found, but increasingly fiber and fabrics are engineered for specific purpose. ठीक है, what we do, we engineer fiber and fabrics for different purposes, and there is lot of research currently you haven't been undertaken in the textile sector to design new fibers, fabrics and threads with carefully controlled properties, which is needed to meet the needs of market like competition, sportswear or special application like we have stage suit. यहाँ पे क्या होता है हमारे फैब्रिक्स का क्या होता है बहुत वास्ट कंपटीशन होता है and the advent of smart material and fabrics had generated a renewed interest in this area of science. Now, what are the functions of clothing and household and use of fabric? Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to keep our body safe from heat, cold, rain, and insects. Now, our clothes are rightly recognized as the second skin. जो आपके clothes हैं, उनको हम कैसा recognize करते हैं as your second skin. It in every stage of life and its very ceremony, clothes play an important role. तो आपका कोई भी एक stage of life हो, whether at any ceremony, the clothes play an important role and they cover our body, protect it from adverse climatic condition. और ये आपको जो adverse climatic condition होती है उससे भी protect करता है. Then we have what clothes enhance our personality. And these are made from various kinds of material, sewn in several forms, जैसे हम dresses और garments कहते हैं. Then as well as जो pretty dress होती है, worn according to the occasion or the time speaks lots about the person habits. Towards its taste, का social behavior क्या है, उसका social status क्या है, many other things. Then for example, like dresses for formal, casual occasions, sports and night wear. Color of our clothing in our country is decided by season and climate, age, occasions, marital status, gender, community, joy, and sorrows. All these are the important factors, and the religion and the occupation of the person can be judged by that. Like you have seen many people with seeing their clothing style, dressing style, we easily resemble them from what profession they belongs to. Like if after seeing a doctor, you say it's a doctor. After seeing a policeman, you can easily judge with the help of their dresses. Like school going children, they wear school uniform. Now clothes also tells us about the habits of the wearer and appearance to hygiene. If the clothes are dirty and crunched, we tend to think the person is careless, shabby and poor. Crisp, freshly washed and well-ironed clothes lend a well-groomed appearance to the wearer. Then we have fibers and their sources. Like take a cloth and pull out a thread and twist to lose this thread. You will see that it is made up of smaller threads or hair-like spills. ये किसका बना होता है? Hair-like strands का. And this single hair-like strand is called fiber. What they are known as? They are known as fiber. This is yarn. Do you remember pulling a thread from cloth and opening it? Yes, you find hair-like fiber. The thread which was made of fiber, the thread which is made up of fiber, it is called yarn. They are made up of number of fiber twisted together. Fibers are thin and small and cannot be made into a fabric directly. और उसका fiber जो है उसको directly fiber में change नहीं कर सकते. So they are first converted into yarn. पहले हम उसको yarn में convert करते हैं, which are longer, thicker and stronger, and we use these yarn to make fiber. और हम इन yarn का use करते हैं fiber बनाने. Now consider the structure of wool fiber. You know, these are the hair of animals like sheep, goat, rabbit, camel, sweater, rocks, gloves, shawls, and coats. They are made from hair or fiber. You can check by opening a thread pull out from a pure woolen fabric or knitting wool. Similarly, बहुत सारे फाइबर्स हमारे पास अवेलेबल होते हैं जिसका यूज करके हम क्या बना सकते हैं डिफरेंट क्लोथ एंड वी लर्न अबाउट दीज इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. अ फाइबर इज अ फाइन हेयर लाइक स्ट्रेंड. What is fiber? It is a fine hair-like strand and the basic unit of textile from which we make yarn and the fabric. Most clothes are made from fibers and the fibers are either natural or synthetic. Fibers कैसे होते हैं? या तो natural होते हैं या फिर synthetic होते हैं. Natural fibers, they are obtained from living things. Plant gives us cotton and jute and animals gives us meal and silk. The other type of fiber is obtained from chemical substance. And what are these called? These are called man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. Like your rayon, they are made by men like polyester, nylon or ikral. What are these? These are man-made fiber. Now, do you know leather and fur are not fibers? These are obtained from animals. Leathers or fur, they are not fibers. They are obtained from animals. The first is, now I will tell you about different types of fibers. We have cotton that we wear in summer. Cotton, it is soft, fluffy, staple fiber that grows in a ball. And the cotton ball is name of the downward sheet pod of the cotton plant. What is cotton fiber? It is smallest of all textile fiber. They are white, cream or light brown in color. कैसे होते हैं? White होते हैं, light brown in color होते हैं, and they are fine and strong. They are absorbent and porous and heat. And what they allow? They allow body heat. जो body heat है, वो क्या करता है? उसको दूर करते हैं. Then hence, fabrics made out of it is used in summer wear as cotton wrinkles easily. And the fabrics which are made from cotton, they are strong, durable and easy to wash. And they are used to make towels. With the help of this cotton, we make towels, we make sheets, pillow, cover. And they are require frequent washing. इसके लिए आपको इसको frequently wash भी करना पड़ता है. Then cotton, it is obtained from fruit of cotton plant. After fruit matures, the ball bursts and the cotton seed is covered with cotton fiber. Before cotton we use, it is used to make threads of clothes. The first needs to be separated from the cotton seeds. पहले आपको इसको किससे separate करना पड़ेगा? Cotton seeds से. Now, the process by which this is done is known as ginning and seeds are separated from cotton by combining. देखो seeds को हम separate करते हैं from cotton by the process of combining. Cotton fibers obtained by the process of ginning are spun into yarn and the process by which yarns are obtained from fiber. And what this process is known as? This process is known as spinning. जिससे क्या होता है कि आप yarn obtain करते हो किससे? Fibers. Many simple instruments were used in olden days. पहले बहुत simple instrument का use करा जाता था to yarn cotton. Two such instruments that were used were takli and charkha. The use of charkha was made popular by Gandhi ji and he discouraged Indian people from buying clothes products produced in Britain with the help of machine. और उन्होंने क्या करा? लोगों को डिस्करेज करा कि आप उन क्लोथ्स को बाय ना करो जो ब्रिटिश बना रहे हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन एंड asked them to wear khadi clothes. And nowadays, spinning is done with the help of machine. These machines are very fast and efficient. ये क्या होती है? मशीन बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट होती है, efficient होती है and they are less time consuming. Making cotton fabrics. There are number of ways by which yarns are made into fabric. The two most popular processes are weaving and knitting. The most important process that is weaving and knitting. And weaving is interlacing of two sets of yarn wrapped and weft at 90-degree angle. Straight yarns in fabrics are known as wrap yarn and horizontal yarn are known as weft yarn. Now along the length of woven fabric, both the side, what happens? जो and yarns होती है, they are woven very densely and portion is named as serge. उसे आप serge कहते हो. Does not allow the fabric yarn to come out from the lengthwise edge और जो portion होता है between the two slabs in the body of the fabric. Now what are lyrics of weaving? Weaving give a thin fabric. Woven fabric does not stretch and are thus easy to handle and they are easy to print and embroider. आप इसको easily print कर सकते हो, इसकी embroidery कर सकते हो. Now, weaving is the most commonly used method of fabric construction. Now, what is knitting? दो process मैंने आपको बताए थे. Weaving मैंने आपको बताया. Then we will start with the knitting. It is the process by which the process used to make fabric looping by together yarn with a set of needles. There are two types of knitting: weft with knitting or wrap knit. दो तरीके की knitting हो. This is weft and this is wrap. Then we have jute. We have studied about cotton. Next is jute. Jute is the fiber that obtained from the jute plant. ये soft और shiny होता है and it can be spun into thread. From where it is obtained? It is obtained from jute plant and it is soft and shiny and it can spun into threads. आप इसको easily किसमें spun कर सकते हो? Threads में. Like cotton, jute also obtained from a plant and unlike cotton, it is not obtained from fruit but from the stem of jute plant. किससे obtained होता है? Stem of jute plant. In India, jute is mainly cultivated in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. और कब cultivate करा जाता है इन states में? During rainy season. Then when the jute plant is in flowering stage, जब वो flowering stage होता है जब उसको हम harvest करते हैं and after harvesting it is kept submerged in the water for few days. During this period, the stem of the plant roots and the fibers remain, and the process by which fiber obtained from the stem of plant is not as erratic. And these fibers can be separated from non-fibrous matter by hand, and it is known as stripping. After the fiber are separated, जब fiber separate हो जाती हैं, they can be spun into yarn, and fabrics can be made from these yarns. और आप इन fabric से क्या बना सकते हो? Yarn बना सकते हो. Now, wool. It is obtained from fleece of domestic goats, sheep, rabbits, and the color of wool fibers may vary from off-white to light green. ये vary करता है off-white to light green. And fabrics made from wool are soft, बहुत ज़्यादा soft होते हैं, smooth होते हैं, और कैसे होते हैं? Absorbent होते हैं, wrinkle free, and they do not allow body to They do not allow body heat to go out and works as insulator. ये किसकी तरह काम करता है? As a insulator. ये body की heat को बाहर आने नहीं देते हैं. This is why fabric made out of this fiber is used as winter wear. इसलिए ही हम इसको as a winter wear use करते हैं. And wool is a weak fiber. कैसा fiber होता है? Weak होता है. ये easily affect हो जाता है by common washing shops and powders and their friction. Then we have silk, which is natural. It is protein filament produced by silkworm. Fabrics made from silk are soft, fine, smooth, lustrous, warm, and stronger. And it is the cune of fiber and it is used for formal wear. And the property of silk which makes it so valuable, it is its इसकी simmering appearance. जिसका मतलब appearance होता है वो simmering होता है, shiny वाला होता है. And the process by which, and what is sericulture? It is the process by which we rear. What we rear? We do rearing of silk. Then we have nylon. Nylon was invented in 1930 and first nylon product was toothbrush. सबसे पहला जो आपका nylon का product जो हमने use करा था वो क्या था? आपका toothbrush. And during World War II, it was used to make parachute canopy because silk was the commodity in short supply. तो उसकी supply थी silk की जो वो थी क्या की बहुत ज़्यादा short थी. Then we have synthetic fiber. These are the fiber that are made from petroleum products like nylon, polyester, acrylic. What are these? These are synthetic fiber, and these fiber can catch fire easily and can stick to the body. They should not be worn while working in the kitchen or near a flame. Synthetics do not wrinkle and they can be made dull or shiny. ये dull भी हो सकता है, shiny भी हो सकते हैं, and they have good strength and they are easy to wash and dry. These fabrics are easy to care and maintain. There are some advantages and disadvantages. Now I will tell you some advantages and disadvantages of the synthetic fiber. Advantages क्या है? ये stronger तो होते हैं, ये wrinkle नहीं करते, easy to wash होते हैं, आप इनको maintain कर सकते हो और ये dry भी जल्दी जाते हैं. They are not easily attacked by moths and moths. ये attack नहीं होते moths और moths. What are their disadvantages? They do not allow the air to pass through them easily. They do not absorb sweat. और ये sweat को भी absorb नहीं करते. These were the different types of fibers that I have told you in this chapter. Now we will start with the exercise. Test, take the correct option. The characteristics property of wool is elastic, water repellent है, ठीक है, insulated, they are elastic. Wool is removed from the skin of sheep by the process of, क्या कहा जाता है, shearing. Which of these is not a fiber? Silk, nylon या linen? Synthetic fiber are made from animal, plants या petroleum. किससे बने होते हैं? Petroleum. Now which of these fabrics is preferred most in hot and humid condition? तो आप कौन सा पहनते हो hot और humid condition में? That is your cotton. Now underline the correct word to complete the sentence. Now spinning and gilling is the process of making yarn. Spinning. Dash is made from yarn by the process of weaving and knit. क्या बनाया जाता है? Fabric. Wool is warm because it is fluffy and retains air या humidity. Nylon and polyester they are synthetic fiber. Now silk is obtained from cocoon of silkworm या फिर earthworm. किसके cocoon से बनता है? Silkworm. Now C part is short answer type question. How are fiber classified? Fibers are classified into two types, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Give two example of natural fiber other than cotton and jute. Cotton और jute से अलग आपको natural fiber के name बता. What are cotton balls through which the cotton is obtained? What is sericulture? Rearing of silkworm is called sericulture. What is a loom? Loom क्या होता है कि हम क्या करते हैं? यार्न फैब्रिक फाइबर को क्या करते हैं? यार्न में चेंज करते हैं. Now long answer type question. What are the advantages of man-made fiber over natural fiber? आपको synthetic fibers के advantage I have told you. You can write any 3 to 4. Explain the process of making yarn from fiber. आप फाइबर से yarn कैसे बनाते हैं? Write the method of spinning of cotton yarn. How is jute fiber extracted from plants? कैसे आप इसको extract करते हो? जब वो flowering stage होता है आप इसको क्या करते हो? Harvest करते हो. How is silk obtained? Silk is obtained by the rearing of silkworm. Right? Now we have done with the exercise. Our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Thank you.